Stunt driving in Burlington, what you need to know. Did you know that Burlington, Halton, Oakville region has experienced a 139% increase in stunt driving charges since 2015? And while this is actually slightly below the provincial average, Burlington has seen some of the most volatile year to year changes in enforcement. Today, I'll reveal the unique enforcement patterns in Burlington and Halton, examine the statistics behind this trend, and examine what happens when you face stunt driving charges in the Burlington Provincial Offences Court. I'm Jonathan Cohen, partner at Next Law, Ontario's dedicated stunt driving law firm. Burlington's unique roadways and enforcement. Burlington presents distinctive challenges for drivers that have contributed to its stunt driving charges. The Queen Elizabeth Way passing through Burlington is a major enforcement area, particularly around the Burlington Skyway. The Halton Region's position as a commuter hub between Toronto and Hamilton creates high traffic volumes during peak hours, leading to focused enforcement. Our analysis has identified several major enforcement hotspots in the Burlington Halton area. Halton Regional Police often conduct targeted operations during morning and evening commute hours at these locations, utilizing both marked and unmarked vehicles. They focus particularly on the QEW corridor, where speeds frequently exceed the threshold for stunt driving charges. Unusual statistics. Burlington and Halton stunt driving patterns. The numbers tell an interesting story about stunt driving in Burlington. In 2024, the Halton region recorded 361 stunt driving charges, representing a 139% increase since 2015, actually 7% below the provincial average, with an increase of 146%. When we examine the year by year data, what stands out is the volatility in Burlington's enforcement patterns. What explains Burlington's unique pattern? Our analysis attributes it to a Burlington-specific enforcement strategy implemented by the Halton Regional Police. Unlike many jurisdictions that saw peak charges during the height of the pandemic, Burlington's enforcement was most intense during the early pandemic period before shifting priorities. Burlington court and processes and consequences. If you're facing a stunt driving charge in Burlington, your case will be heard at Provincial Offences Court, which is located at 4085 Palladium Way. Understanding this court's specific procedures can significantly impact your outcome. The Burlington and Halton's court has distinctive tendencies when handling stunt driving cases. The local provincial prosecutors have specific approaches to negotiation, and the court follows particular scheduling and procedural requirements that differ from other jurisdictions. The consequences of a stunt driving conviction in Burlington are severe and immediate. Your vehicle will be impounded on the roadside for 14 days. Your license gets suspended for 30 days on the spot. And upon a conviction, you're going to face a minimum $2,000 fine, possibly up to $10,000. You could receive up to 6 months in jail. Your license will be suspended for at least 1 year, and you'll receive 6 demerit points and more. These penalties can be particularly impactful in Burlington's high value vehicle market, where insurance premiums increase. Those increases can be substantial. For Burlington's many commuting professionals, the employment consequences of losing your driving privileges can be devastating, given the city's position as a commuter hub. Defending against stunt driving charges in Burlington requires specialized knowledge. Each case presents unique circumstances and potential defense strategies. Some strategies might include technical defenses, which challenge speed measurement equipment, calibration, and operator training. There's necessity defenses, establishing legitimate reasons for exceeding speed limits. And there's charter applications identifying violations of rights during traffic stops. There's also negotiated resolutions with Burlington provincial prosecutors. When facing stunt driving charges in Burlington, having representation with local court experience can make a critical difference in your case outcome. If you're facing stunt driving charges in Burlington, contact our office immediately, because the sooner we begin working on your case, the more options we have for achieving a positive outcome. For more insights about Ontario's stunt driving laws, how to protect your rights, call our office, text us, book a meeting, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're here for you anytime. Remember, while complete dismissals for a stunt driving case are quite rare, there are always paths to better outcomes with stunt driving charges. The key is understanding the unique aspects of Burlington's enforcement and court system, and working with professionals who know how to navigate the law.